Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Magical Math Mornings with your Ramsar. Let's continue our session of learning superfast subtractions today. Okay, just we have to quickly recap. When it comes to subtraction, there are two important things that we learned, correct? One is a 10-point circle, one is a 9-point circle. The first one gives us how to find the tens complement easily. The second one gives us how to find the nines complement of any digit easily. So what we are going to do, we will first learn, just quickly recap the finding of the complements of these numbers. Okay, this is the one what I'm speaking about. Just quickly recap, this is the 10-point circle. The opposite numbers are the close friends, and when you subtract any number from 10, we are going to get its opposite number. Correct? This way, tens complement of 9 is 1, tens complement of 8 is 2, 7 is 3, 6 is 4. The same way, opposite is also true. 10 minus 1 is 9, 10 minus 2 is 8, 10 minus 3 is 7, 10 minus 4 is 6. These things should come in a flash of a second in our mind. Say 9-point circle means we are finding the nines complement of any number. Complement of any number means what? What if we add, we'll get that number. So nines complement of 8 is 1. That means for 8, if you add 1, you are going to get 9. Or in other words, 9 minus 8 is 1 or 9 minus 1 is 8. Same 9's complement of 7 is 2, 6 is 3 and 5 is 4. These are the things we discussed yesterday. Just let's quickly recap. I'll be writing the tens complements. At the same time, I want you people also to just guess and say to yourself, what are the tens complements of these numbers? 5 is 5. 3 is tens complement I'm telling. 7. 2 is 8. 9 is 1. 7 is 3. 8 is 2. 6 is 4. Correct? Like this, every day before starting the subtractions for at least some 4 or 5 days, you have to practice this. You write the single digit numbers randomly and just write their tens complements. Same way you write some 5 to 10 numbers of randomly and write their nines complements. Like here, what we do, nines complement of 1 is 8, 5, 3 is 6, 6 is 3. Nines complement of 9 is 0, 5 is 4, 2 is 7. This is what we should be practicing every day. Okay, and then based on this, what we learned, if we take any number starting from 1 and ending with zeros, and if you want to subtract some 3256, what we did, all from 9 and last from 10. That means you write the nines complement of these three numbers and then tens complement of the last digit. Nines complement of these numbers are 6, 7, 4, and tens complement of 6 is 4. This is the answer when you want to subtract. Correct? What was the sutra? Nikhilam Navatascharamam Dashataha. All from 9, last from 10. If you remember this simple one, that is sufficient. Let's quickly do one more. Suppose you have 1 crore and we want to subtract this one, 38,47,296. How do you do? All from 9 and last from 10. Just quickly see how fast I will write. I'll write the nines complement of all these numbers. 6, 1, 5, 2, 7, 0, and last one tens complement, that is 4. This is the answer. Isn't it very simple? These are all things we have learned yesterday. Now we'll take it to the next level. Suppose we have numbers where I have considered only a special case here, correct? 1 followed by zeros, and the number we are subtracting is having just only one digit smaller than this one. Suppose we have 1000, but we want to subtract only 28. What we should do? On the left side, whatever digits are missing out, there we consider as if there is 0. It's very simple. Just assume as if there is 0, because we can put any number of zeros on the left side of a number. It's not going to alter its value. Correct? So the nines complement we'll write same like what we did the previous cases. For all the numbers, except the last one tens complement. So 9's complement of 0 is 9, 9's complement of 2 is 7, last one tens complement of 8 is 2, 972. Very simple. Just let's take one bigger number, maybe 1 lakh you have, and you want to subtract only 347. What we do, if nothing is there means we assume as if there are zeros here and write the nines complement of zeros. That is 9, 9. Here nines complement 3 is 6, 4 is 5. Last one tens complement of 7 is 3. It's very simple, correct? Any number of digits that is the subtrahend is having lesser, for all those digits on the left side we are going to assume them as 0. Okay, quickly do, let's 2 or 3 problems. I'll give you numbers and I want you people to write the answers. So let's take 10,000 minus 927. Do it and quickly put the answer in the chat. Assume 0 for the left side number. Very fast. Very good, Shravan. So by the time I wrote and he was ready, correct? This one is 9 because as if there is 0. And this is 9's complement of 9 is 0. 2 is 7. 10's complement of 7 is 3. Very good. Very fast. Correct? One more. Let's take 1 lakh. From this, I want you to subtract 298. That's it. Very small number. Type the answer quickly. So he got the catch. He is answering faster than everyone. What about others? No. Oh, that was the previous answer, I think. Type the answer for this one. Yes, for this, we are assuming as if there are zeros here, and then we'll write the nines complements, correct? 9970. Last one is 2. Okay, while writing, I think you typed mistake 702. Okay. What about the numbers if they contain zeros on the right hand side? Let's check them now. Okay. Suppose we have 10,000. I want you to subtract 3,270. This is a special case. Here we have to be very careful. What we do, the zeros, whatever are there on the right hand side, we'll neglect them and we'll write just zeros. And we'll apply this Nikhilam Sutra to only these numbers. For this, what we'll do, all from 9 till here, last from 10. That means the last non-zero digit number, that is 7 is there, this we'll consider for the tens complement. That means what we do, 9's complement of 3 is 6. This is 7. This is 10's complement of 7 is 3. 6730. 673, because last one we will take it as zeros only. I'll give you 1 or 2 more examples. Suppose you have 1 lakh minus 48,210. So what we'll do, all from 9. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 1, here is 7. And the last non-zero digit is 1. Therefore, we'll write 10's complement of this. This is 10 minus 1, we'll write 9. But all the other zeros, we are going to write 0. 51790. You got the catch? Just I'll give you one more example. Okay. Let's take one more. Let's take a little bigger number. We want to have 1 crore. Left hand side, I don't have numbers. I will take 1,49,800. I'm combining both the ones now. Left hand side there is one digit less, so what we'll consider as if there is 0, and we'll write 9's complement for all. 9 here, 8 here, 5 here is 0, and the last non-zero digit is 8. This itself we'll consider as the last one from 10, that is 10's complement of 8 is 2. All the other zeros we'll write zeros. Isn't it simple? Very easy. Just 98,50,200. Whatever the big number, you can subtract them easy. Because I'm explaining and writing, it looks little slow, or else you can write very fast. Correct? Just you can write only this as an example in your notes wherever you are recording, and this one should come as a practice to us. And whenever you want, always this video will be available for you to go through. So let's take one more. Suppose you have 10 lakh minus 3,200 and 32,100. So what we do here, 9's complement 6, 7. Last non-zero digit is 1, because all other things on the right side is zeros. So I will consider 10's complement of this 9. Rest all the things I will write 0. Isn't it easy? I hope you all understood. Just type yes if you have understood this concept quickly, so that I want to give you some problems now. Let's practice these numbers. Okay? All the things? Yes. Okay. I will come to that one later on. First, let us practice this. Then we'll come to, if at all the digit instead of 1, if you have 2 lakhs or 20,000 or 40,000, that will come as a next step. Step by step, we'll go ahead. Okay? Because here we are least bothered about what is there on the top number. We are only writing the complements of the lower number. Let's practice this. Take 10,000 minus 326. Write it fast. $10,000 minus 326. Yes. By oversight, he made a mistake. Correct? No, this is what we do. You forgot the first digit? Yes. When there is no digit on the left hand side, we have to assume as if there is 0. Correct? This we should not forget. What we do, we know the tricks. We are fast. In fact, we'll become super fast. But gradually what we do, in oversight, if you do mistake, then it is going to be an error. So we have to be very careful. That's why I said let's practice. Here we'll take 9's complement of these 3 numbers, and last one is 4. Yes, all others are correct. So he corrected fast. Let's take 10 lakh, and from this we want to subtract 47,600. Subtract this. 47,600. $47,600. And this is one formula you can directly write the answer without thinking too much. Correct, no? So in oversight, what we do mistake. That's what has happened. See, correct that one, whatever you have written. The last from 10, last digit means we'll be considering the last non-zero digit. First one, there is no digit here. So what we have to assume, I think it is Dhriti. We have to assume as if there is a 0. No, yes. The one who took 1 second extra, she has written correctly. So this is, we have to assume as if there is 0. 9 we'll consider. 9's complement of 4 is 5. 9's complement of 7 is 2. Till here everyone did correct, but some of you have written 9's complement only, which is the non-zero digit. Last digit, what we have to do? We have to find the 10's complement, not 9's one. Correct, no? So 10's complement of 6 is 4 here. Correct? It's not 952,300. It is 952,400. Yes. Correct? Very good. So you did the correction. Let's quickly do one or two problems because this requires a practice. Only by learning, without practicing, we are going to forget them. That's why I'm giving some more things to practice. Okay. Let's take this one. Let's take 3,260. Write the solution for this. This, you subtract 3,260. When we have very less number of digits, you will be cautious. I know. Only when one digit is missing, no, there you will do mistake because by oversight we tend to forget that one. Yes, this time it is correct. One Mr. Raju, he has given perfect answer. Correct. This two we'll assume as if there are zeros and we'll write the 9's complement up to here. Correct. Now this we'll take it as the last digit. Very good. This is, yes, 9, 9, 6, 7. Last one, 4. Correct. This is the only one we are having 10's from 9 and 6 on 4 0. Perfect. Let's take one more. Minus just 100. Simple one. Only in simple ones we may tend to do mistake. Be careful. Yes. See, one mistake has happened when we try to do very fast. This digit we are neglecting in when we are doing this subtraction. Whenever there is one, we neglect because automatically one will give to this one. Correct? No, we borrow one from this will vanish. So always this one is neglected in this subtraction. What we'll get, we'll do as if there is zero here. Only one digit we are writing 9's complement. And the immediate digit is the last one, correct? No? 10's complement of 1 is 9, 0, 0. One last one, we'll take 1 lakh and I want you to subtract 720. It's not 9980, it's 9900 only because last two digits are zeros, we'll blindly write 0. So this one is very fast and correct also. Very good. Correct. This is, yes, very good. All of you has given the correct answer. So we'll consider zeros and write 9's complement till here. Last non-zero digit. Now you remember this is 8099280. What is the sutram? Nikhilam Navatascharamam Dashataha. While doing this, all the zeros on the right hand side we are neglecting and we'll write zeros directly. And the remaining digits we are writing as if there are zeros on the left hand side. We'll write 9's complement to all the digits, just excluding the last non-zero digit. Very perfect. So keep practicing. In tomorrow's session, we are going to take this to the next level. Once we complete this, then in the next week, we are going to do super fast subtraction by doing just the addition, reverse option. There are many tricks for this and hope you enjoyed this and you understood this concept. And if you have liked, just give one thumbs up in the chat and please share with your friends also. Let them also learn. See you tomorrow morning with little advanced version of this. Till that one, we feel that maths mein maja hai.